Iron chlorosis is a common plant issue that we can encounter, and the main characteristics that we see with it is leaves that are turning yellow to white, but the inside veins stay dark green. Classic iron chlorosis symptoms. Now here's the big trick. In Nebraska we have plenty of iron in our soil. The problem is it's a pH issue. The pH is binding the iron, so it isn't available to the plant. So how do we manage this? Number one, collect a soil sample and find out what your pH is. From that soil analysis, they can provide you information on how do we amend the soil to bring that pH up. Typically, we want our soils between a pH of 6 to about 7.5 to 8. So depending on where you're at, we may have to make various adjustments. The other big component we can do is if you're looking at aesthetic quality, we can spray a foliar iron to the plant, and that will allow it to green up for about 2 to 3 weeks. And so if you like that, you're going to do it multiple times in the year. Or you can just go with the old standby. You can just tell folks it is an iron chlorosis. Instead, we have a new variegated plant, and isn't it so beautiful to provide new color in our landscape?